Tunicate, Olika, Evente Happily, Monatory, Be Clever, Irritari.
Cap means
Topic.
sailor mean
Amavaru.
tide,
Achipovu.
asleep,
Tetapovu.
big tree,
Peta Tetu.
stole,
Tomulinchu.
were,
Darinchu.
shouted,
Arupu.
anger,
Kopam. Thank you. Name is Sasha. Studying in LKGB section. I'm going to tell about Christmas. Christmas is celebrated on 25th December. Every year, the world is the birthday of all the skies. It is known as biggest Ambarappa. It is the festival of joy and happiness. People go to church, have a prayer, have a gift to friends and relatives. Christmas is keep stars, captain, decorated, heavy orges, and gestures. Kiss police Santa Claus. He come and he then some gift. Hello, the Santa Claus. Very much. Cake cutting, head place, and waiting everyone.
every year means
Pati Savasaram.
birthday means
Puttinu Roju.
biggest,
Chala Pedda.
happiness,
Anandam.
trees,
Chattu.
star,
Ajantam.
decorated,
Alankarinchu.
house,
Illu.
crib,
Pasulu Paka.
inviting,
To welcome. Thank you. My name is Udwal. I am studying in LKGB section. I am going to Telugu Mahasvaratri. Mahasvaratri మాఘమాసంలో చతుర్దశి నాడు వస్తుంది. ఇది శివ పార్వతుల వివాహం జరిగిన రోజు. శివుడు తాండవం చేసిన రోజు. శివుడు లింగాకారంలోకి మారిన రోజు. ఈరోజు శివుడికి ఇష్టమైన బిల్వాకులతో పూజ చేస్తారు. రోజంతా ఉపవాసం, రాత్రి జాగరణం ఉంటారు. చిత్తూరు జిల్లాలోని శ్రీకాళహస్తిలో మహాశివరాత్రిని ఘనంగా జరుపుకుంటారు.
vivaham means
మ్యారేజ్
రోజు means
డే,
తాండవం means
డాన్స్,
ఆకారం means
సేప్,
బిల్వాకు,
పిల్వాలి,
ఉపవాసం,
ఫాస్టింగ్,
జాగరణం,
కొని ఉండు,
ఘనంగా.
గొప్పగా. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
What is your name?
మై నేమ్ ఇస్ హేమంత్.
In which class are you studying?
studying is LKG section.
When do we celebrate Children's Day?
We celebrate Children's Day on 14 November.
Whose birthday is celebrated as Children's Day?
Jawaharlal Nehru.
When is Republic Day?
Republic Day is the January 26.
What is the full name of Gandhiji?
Bullela Gandhi, Mohammed Karamchand Gandhi.
Where was Jawaharlal Nehru born?
Jawaharlal in Allahabad.
Who is the writer of the Vande Mataram?
Vande Mataram by Bankim Chandra Chatterjee.
Who is the first woman Prime Minister of India?
Indira Gandhi.
What is Indira Gandhi father name?
Jawaharlal Nehru.
When do Makara Sankranti generally fall on?
Makar Sankranti generally falls on January 14.
How many days we celebrate Sankranti?
Sankranti for 3 days.
Say what are they?
They are Bogi, Makar Sankranti and Tanma.
What is Kanma?
combine the material titles.
When do we celebrate Boxing Day?
We celebrate Boxing Day in December.
What is the original name of Swami Vivekananda?
Srinath Datta,
In which state Guru Purab is celebrated the most?
Punjab,
Who gave Netaji title to Subhash Chandra Bose?
India Soldiers,
Which is the largest state in India?
Rajasthan,
How many players are there in cricket team?
11 members,
Which is the largest bird?
Ostrich,
Most sensitive organ of our body?
Skin,
Name the national river of India.
Ganga River,